Hello everyone. We are going to discuss today the corporate social responsibility in multinational companies. The McDonald's Corporation is the example of this lecture. Starting with the content which we are going to discuss in this lecture. First, we will discuss the definition for corporate social responsibility. Then, multinational companies uh, engaged in corporate social responsibilities, types of corporate social responsibilities, main concern of corporate social responsibility in means CSR, advantage of CSR to multinational companies and disadvantage of CSR to multinational companies. These will be the topic to be discussed in this lecture. So, starting with the what is corporate social responsibility. The idea that business has a duty to serve society in general as well as the financial interest of stakeholders. Corporate social responsibility is a type of international private business self-regulation that aims to contribute to societal goals of a philanthropic, activist, or charitable nature by engaging in or supporting volunteering or ethically oriented practices. This is the definition by Pierce and Robinson. India is the first country in the world to make corporate social responsibility mandatory. He followed an amendment of the Companies Act 2013 in April 2014. Business can invest their profits in areas such as education, poverty, gender equality, and hunger as part of any corporate social responsibility compliance. World Business Council for Sustainable Development has defined the corporate social responsibility as the continuing commitment by business to behave ethically and contribute to sustainable economic development while improving the quality of life of the workforce and their families as well as of the local community and society. For example, some of the most popular corporate social responsibility activities are philanthropy and community volunteer efforts. For example, a large manufacturer may donate money to land and wildlife preservation and organize and sponsor volunteers environmental cleanup efforts. In current pandemic situation, the Tata Sons has uh, Tata Foundation has donated 500 crore rupees in PM Cares Fund, and Tata and Sons has donated 1000 crore rupees. Likewise, Reliance has donated uh, 500 crore rupees. Uh, Asim Premji Foundation has donated. Likewise, so many companies have donated in PM Cares Fund this year to fight the pandemic situation of COVID-19. This is the best example of corporate social responsibility towards the society. So here, as per the syllabus of this topic, we have to take the example of McDonald's. What is starting with the corporate social responsibility? What is a multinational company? Although I have discussed in detail in the previous video, the what is the definition of multinational company? What are the advantages of multinational company? What are the disadvantages of being the multinational company? What are the rules and regulations in different countries regarding the multinational companies? So here only we will discuss about the example with McDonald's, an enterprise operating in several countries but managed from one home country. Generally, any company or group that derives a quarter of its revenue from operation outside of its home country is considered a multinational corporation. Here I am not going in detail. If you want to know what is a multinational company, I have devoted a whole video on this topic only. So you can refer that video and get the detail of this topic. A multinational corporation is a corporate organization that owns or controls production of goods or services in at least one country that other than its home country. So, types of corporate social responsibility, as I have discussed earlier: responsibility towards society, responsibility towards government, responsibility towards shareholders, responsibility towards employee, and responsibility towards consumer. Here we will discuss one by one the concern of corporate social responsibility. Main concern of corporate social responsibility is economic responsibility, social responsibility, civic responsibility means society towards society, and environmental responsibility. There are basically four types of responsibility which company has to bear while operating in any country. Except this, there are so many concerns of corporate social responsibility such as community involvement, business standard, labor security, environmental protection, labor security, education and leadership development, and human rights. CSR has changed in the last 10 years. 2000 before 2000 to up to 2012, CSR was a moral issue. We want to do the right thing, we want to invest in the community. But after 2012, CSR is an strategic or profit issue. Ignoring CSR potentially damages shareholders, embarrassing it creates value. Means after 2012, the company has taken it as strategic investment towards the society to make its brand value. Some companies are making its brand value by investing in the society in different cause uh, by corporate social responsibility. Advantage of CSR to multinational companies are improved financial performance, lower operating cost, enhanced brand image and reputation, increased sales and customer loyalty, greater productivity and quality, more ability to attract and retain employees. These are the advantages of corporate social responsibility in the multinational companies. Improved financial performance means while they are, since I have already told in previous slide that if companies are investing in any cause or they are investing for any societal cause or civic cause, they are making its brand value. By increasing their brand value, they want to uh, increase their sales and make the financial performance improved. And by if some companies are investing in infrastructure, means although they are investing in the infrastructure and they are showing that this will be used by the society, but still they are making the infrastructure for their own self too, which suppose they are making the road will be used by their company to make their cost reliable or to lower the cost. So infrastructure will not only benefit the society, it will also benefit the company as well for the transportation purpose. So I have discussed the brand image already, reputations, increased sales and customer loyalty I have already covered, greater productivity and quality, and if the infrastructure development and the technological development will give the benefit to the society, that also will give the benefit to the company as well. So by making the brand a more ability to attract and retain employees means if the companies are investing in corporate social responsibility towards, they are making their brand image, and the brand image, good brand image always attracts good employee and skilled employee for the company. So this is a very good thing for the company. Make a positive image among stakeholders. Access to capital means if they are having a good brand image, always they are, if they are going in the banks, it is always getting easy for them to get the uh, loans or credit on the easy ground. So it is very uh, possible for them to access the capital on very soft ground. product safety and liability, workforce diversity, help to attract investors, improve business image and reputation, increase in competitiveness. It helps to correct the social problem caused by the company. With the advantage of the corporate social responsibility, there are some disadvantages also for the multinational companies in the corporate social responsibility. According to Milton Friedman, who was a leading economist, making corporate social responsibility is useless and even potentially dangerous since it goes against the very basic aim of doing business. Making profit is the main purpose of the company, and if they are using that money which is coming from the benefit of the uh, com- uh, which is coming from the benefit from the shareholders, the benefit should go from to among the shareholders, not to the society. So according to the monetarist economist Milton Friedman, the well, investment towards the corporate social responsibility is a useless thing. It breaches of the principle of profit maximization. CSR may contribute to the dispersion of forces and resources of the company and thus reduce its economic efficiency. If that money will, according to the monetarist or profit maximization economist, if you are investing that money in society, you are getting nothing. But if you are investing that money in enhancing the technology or infrastructure, certainly that is going to have a direct benefit to your company. So you should invest in the for the enhancement of the company's technology and infrastructure, not in useless things. Many social responsible actions are unprofitable because of high cost. Suppose any company is investing in education sector for corporate social responsibility, that is not getting anything from the education to direct to the company. Company is not going to get any benefit from the uh, education, basic education, but uh, he is investing the money as a brand building exercise. It may be very good for the company, but as for the profit maximization theory, it is a disadvantage towards the company. He is using the resources of the company in useless things, because according to them, the investment in education is the role of the government, not the role of the company. So uh, company should not go into such indulge in such type of activities which are useless for the company. Companies spending their social responsibility increase the price of goods and services. Examples of CSR activities of multinational companies: IBM UK reinventing education partnership program interactions and sharing of knowledge through a web-based technology, the Learning Village software, culture of openness and sharing of good practice. Avon, a partnership with Breakthrough Breast Cancer and its breast cancer crusade, has raised over 10 million pounds since its launch of 12 years ago. Times of India's Lead India campaign for contribution towards educating the poor. McDonald's preaches that they are passionate about food and take great care that what they serve every day is safe, great quality, offer choice, and it's produced in a responsible way. They source food regarding three key areas: ethical practice, environmental protections. McDonald's is an international fast food chain whose corporate social responsibility is written as. This makes them appear like a company who like to involve themselves with their customers and communities in order for them to appear ethical and social equity. This means treating their employee with fairness, respect, and dignity, and following practice that protect health and safety for the people working in their facilities, all in compliance with national and local law. McDonald's corporate governance is written on their official company website that their success is built on a foundation of personal and professional integrity. Hundreds of millions of people around the world trust McDonald's. We earn that trust every day by serving food, safe food, respecting our customers and employees, and delivering outstanding quality service, cleanliness, and value. We will earn this trust by being ethical, truthful, and dependable. So, in this way, CSR is a concept where companies voluntarily contribute to a better society. Nowadays, CSR has become an important part of business organizations because business interested parties have given a more concern towards CSR. This is directly linked to the organizational culture willing to carry out a wider organizational change, and it is important to see positive results which CSR bring an ethical, social, organizational and business scale. There have several areas to concern when companies involved in CSR activities, and its responsibility spread to society, government, employees, shareholders and consumers. Multinational companies can gain many advantages from CSR activities, but there have some issues when companies engage in CSR. Advantages help to confirm the sustainability and existence of multinational companies. Finally, CSR remove gap between society requirements and expectations. Thank you very much for this all which I have discussed.